Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to hide any element on mobile view in Webflow using just a few clicks. So first things first, type and search Webflow in Google and click on the first link that pops up right here. And inside the Webflow Designer, switch to mobile view using the icons at the top of the canvas. So I want to click the element that I will hide like an image, section, or button. So with the element selected, go to the Style panel and scroll to the display setting. Change it from black or flex to none. So this hides it completely on the screen size only. You can repeat this on other breakpoints to control visibility across devices, which is great for mobile-only buttons or desktop-only banners. And that's it. Now you can hide any element on mobile and keep your site looking clean. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.